Hey, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thanks for visiting today. So today I am posting an update to one of the illustrations that I've been working on for a little while. It's for the children's book that I've been developing called Frank and Beans. It's a story about friendship, and this is one of the characters. His name is Beans. I'm working in Procreate today, and as you see, I started out with kind of a fleshed out color, local color illustration, and I did that on a separate device. I did that on my Surface Pro, and then I transferred it over to Procreate because I wanted to utilize some of the brushes that I have in Procreate, and you know, it's just something that, depending on the needs at the time and stuff. And so that's why you saw kind of the disconnect at the beginning. Yeah, so this particular illustration I just did here and there. I didn't really focus in on it until the very end to wrap it up, just because I've got so many projects going on, and it's been really busy lately in my business life. So these projects take a second, a second seat to all the other work that pays consistently. This is a passion project, so that's basically what it is. And as you see, I'm just putting in the different effects and layer compositing and local color and shadowing and textures and everything else that's involved with creating illustration like this. I love doing pieces like this because it really shows the character, of the book and kind of the spine of the book. The joy and the friendship and what's going on. And of course, this is just Frank, but I'm sorry, this is just Beans, but I'm going to start posting some of the illustration work that I've done for the book with both of them together, and it really shows the camaraderie. And they go on adventures. It's really a lot of fun, and it teaches, children that are reading it and people who are reading it that, you don't have to look the same, you don't have to be the same, you don't have to have a lot of the same things in common, from skin color to background to even species, to be really good friends and even best friends. So that's kind of where I'm at. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe if you like what you see. And as always, go out and draw something today. Have some fun. Enjoy the world. Have a good day. Bye.